It's Emma's first time on a swing. Let's see how she does. Are you excited, Emma? Are you excited? This is gonna be really scary. Are you ready for this? You think you're ready? Okay. Here we go.
You want to try?
Gonna get the cushions going. Oop, her bare belly.
Ooh.
Where's the ground, she says? She says something's bugging her. The ground's missing.
Where are you going? Are you in the swing? She's like, I'm not sure about this. I'm so not sure about this, huh? What do you think? You like it? Yeah? Are you smiling?
Maybe you should put it in the front too.
Yeah.
Like that? Yeah.
How's that?
Maybe like here.
Is that better?
You like that? Yeah?
You like
Boing, boing, boing.
Do you like that?
She likes to go forward.
Yeah?
She's so cute.
Yeah?
Is that fun?
Did you like it?
Hey, Emma. Let me get a picture.
Yeah?
Is that fun?
Yeah? Did you like that swing?
What do you have to say about this? What do you have to say? Really? It's exciting. Yeah.
Fun.
Yeah, it's exciting.
It's the big girl swing.
She's like, where's the floor?
She loves to look down now.
Yeah, what you looking at? Yeah, did you like that swing?
She's so tiny in that.
Did you like that?
She says she wants to go all the way around.
Right. We need a helmet on her. We're gonna put a helmet so she doesn't bang her head.
It's a cutie. What do you think?
Oh, so exciting.
Did you like it? What are you doing?
You really have a lot to say.
Are you on the swing? She's like, this is really strange.